In this video, I'm going to teach you the stay command so you can go from this to be able to control your dog at any location, at any situation, outdoors, indoors, wherever you are. So we're going to go on a basic level. You have to have at least the sit command accomplished with your dog. So your dog has to be able to sit. If you're going to train your dog, you need to understand that training on its own is not the only thing that you have to do. You have to focus on providing your dog's daily 5 essential needs, which are exercise, training, socialization, care, and affection. So training is in there, but if you only focus on training, then you're not going to get good results. You have to make sure that you're providing all your dog's 5 essential needs. Make sure that you're rewarding your dog the way your dog requires to be rewarded. I know most dog owners, they rely on treats and food to reward their dogs, but you have to really dig in and figure out if your dog is praise or play motivated, and use that motivation to train your dog. So for instance, Annie is a play motivated, so I'm going to use play to motivate her to learn this command. Hey dog lover, before we continue our video lesson, I want to invite you to download and grab my exclusive handbook that is designed specifically for a busy professional dog owner like you. In this handbook, you will find clear, actionable solutions to change your dog's behavior and create a healthier and stronger bond with your dog right from the comfort of your home. The link is in the description below this video. Go ahead and grab it, and let's get back to the video. We're going to put our dog on a leash. We're going to start with the command of sit. Annie, sit. And we're going to ask our dog to stay. So we're going to go right in front of our dogs, and with the palm of our hand, we're going to just tell our dog to stay physically, and verbally we're going to say it as well. We're going to say, Annie, stay. And if our dog stays for 10 seconds, we're going to reward our dog with the play. You're going to put aside 15 minutes of training time, and you're going to train your dog, teaching your dog to stay for 10 seconds in the beginning. So Annie, sit. Annie, stay. Name of the dog and give your hand signal as well, and you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to reward your dog. So you're going to have some challenges in the beginning. Your dog is not going to stay even for 10 seconds, maybe even 5 seconds. You reward 5 seconds. The reason you want to have your dog on a leash is because not only you're controlling your dog, but also your dog says, I'm under control, so I better behave. You're giving a different energy and perspective to the activity that you're doing with your dog. In this case, the training. We're rewarding our dog with play. On a leash, under control, we're training, we're rewarding, we're playing, we're doing all those. Go get it, go get it. Over here, yes, drop it. Yes. Good girl. And 4th day, you're on 40 seconds, 5th day, 50 seconds, 6th day, 60 seconds, and on and on. So eventually, after 6 days, hopefully we got to a minute of stay. Maybe in 2 weeks, we're staying 2 minutes, and on and on. And that's how you start expanding the stay command from 10 seconds to 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and on and on. And once you achieve that, then you're going to go to the next level, which we're going to discuss it in the future video. But you're going to start training your dog the stay command at home or in an environment that is nice and calm and quiet, and you're going to teach that step by step, slowly, 10 seconds at a time, without having any pressure, and motivate your dog the way your dog wants to be motivated. If you have any questions, leave those questions in the comments area, and until next time, have fun with your dog. Okay, let's play more. Go get it.